How to remove multiple Facebook friends at once. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove multiple Facebook friends at once. So let's begin. Before we proceed, just a disclaimer, I would like you to know that Facebook still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to select multiple Facebook friends and then remove them at once. However, in this tutorial, what I will be teaching you is the simplest way to remove multiple friends. So, let's begin. Make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So if your Facebook app is still not updated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Facebook app, you may now open it and then go to your friends right here. So click on friends and click on your friends right here. And then right here, you may be able to see all of your friends. So if you have a lot of friends, then you may be able to see the sort button right here. And then you may sort them according to date or according to their name. So then you may be able to see their name right here, and then you may be able to see the three dots on the rightmost part of their name. So click on that three dots and click on unfriend and then their name. So this is easier instead of by searching their name and then, but if you are in their name, then you need to click on that three button and then click on unfriend right here. So um unlike when going to friends right here, you may be able to see their names. So a lot of your friends' names, and then just simply click on the three dots and simply click on unfriend. So that's it. That's how you can remove multiple Facebook friends at once. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.